Welcome back to Booze and the Rocks. My name is David Edwards. Today I'm making a cilantro infused spicy margarita, but I'm also issuing you a challenge. Let's get into it. Great to have every single one of you back here today. I am super stoked. I have two things up for you. The first is it's Margarita Monday, and I'm making a margarita for you, which I do every other Monday for those of you that are new on the channel. And please send in your recipes. We definitely want to try them out in front of everybody and see how they are, because you should be proud of your concoctions. The second is that I got together with Rob from Rob's Home Bar and Vino from 60 Second Cocktails, and we decided that it's January of 2021. And what do we need? It's cold up here in the Northern Hemisphere. We should have a Spice on the Rocks 2021 challenge. So we're challenging every single one of you cocktail channels and you the subscriber to come up with your own spicy cocktail recipes. If this is new for you and you've never played around with cocktails, try it. Try the alcohols you want, try the spices that you want, and see what happens, because this is all about fun. And there's a whole bunch of little channels that I really want to see take part of this, and the big channels too, because they all have something to suggest and to present to you. And the winner of this is you. There's no final contest, no nothing. It's all about the participation. So we only have a couple of rules. One, it has to have a spicy cocktail. Two, it has to be in by the end of January. And three, you need to put in the hashtag Spice on the Rocks 2021 label. And what we'll do is we will put a link down in the description down below where you can put down any of the fancy lettering that we have designed for you. In fact, Rob from Rob's Home Bar designed this for us. So this is pretty awesome. We need to thank him. So thanks, Rob. So let's get into a cocktail. Now today's cocktail is a cilantro infused spicy margarita. And this is not actually part of my cocktail challenge. I had already planned to do this while we were before we'd started talking about this idea. And you know what? It's perfect for the theme to launch this challenge with. So grab your fancy little cocktail shaker and put it off to the side because I don't need it just yet. However, what we first need is a jalapeno. Grab the smallest knife that you have in your kitchen, and we're gonna take 3 to 4 slices depending on the level of heat you want. So if you don't like very spicy stuff, just go with 1 or 2 slices. Now you need your cocktail shaker, and you want to grab your 3 or 4 slices. In my case, I'm using 4 slices, and throw them in there. Smells good already. We're going to use our first alcohol. The first thing we need is a Silver Tequila. I'm using Altos Olmeca Tequila. It is a very nice tequila. I like this. You need 1.5 ounces, which works out to 45 milliliters. The next thing you need is, of course, another tequila. Yes! In this case, what I've decided to do is I've decided to split the base, and I'm using Mezcal, and this will give us a little bit of that smoky flavor. That way we get some added depth to this cocktail. And for this, we need the bottle to actually start pouring. Sorry, we need 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. There's actually something I forgot to do first. Grab some cilantro. You just need 3 or 4, 2, 3 sprigs, whatever. Give it a bit of a slap. Roll it slightly, drop that in there like so. It doesn't look appetizing, but it's important. The reason we actually slap the cocktail is, I just said cocktail. The reason we slap the cilantro is that we break the surface of the cells. This starts to release the essential oils in the cilantro itself. And the cilantro will give us a bit of a cooling effect on the jalapeno. The next thing we need is an Orange Curacao. I'm using Pierre Ferrand Curacao. This is a dry orange Curacao. And we need 3/4 ounce or 22.5 milliliters. And I can hear you thinking in the back of your head, but Dave, how is this infused? Well, the next thing we need is a cilantro infused simple syrup. And you're saying, okay, I can see the color looks a bit odd. What did we do? Well, you take and you start with your standard 8 ounces or 240 mils of sugar and 8 ounces, 240 mils of water. What you're going to do is take a bunch of your cilantro, you're going to chop it up fine to about a quarter cup's worth, loosely packed, throw it in there, bring everything together with heat till it goes clear, allow it to come to a rolling boil for about 1 minute, take it off the heat and let it sit for 2 hours. Then you fine strain it, throw it in a bottle of your choice, and use it to your heart's delight in your cocktails. And then you drop stuff while you're at it. So we need 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 mils. The next thing we need is lime. You can't go wrong with a little bit of lime. We need 3/4 of an ounce of lime for this as well. I seem to be having problems by not throwing things around for you. Look at this. Looks nice, tasty, you just can't go wrong. Grab your muddle. Now that this has had a chance to sit and soak with the sugar and the alcohol, just give it a slight muddle. We don't have to do much. And the reason for that is I'm just breaking it apart and beginning the bruising process. So you want to grab some ice now. Look at that. It just doesn't want to do its thing. One more cube will be good. So you're going to grab your ice and we're going to shake this now for 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure you're lined up nice and neat here. Put your thumb on here and then shake it hard. Slap it open with the strength of 1,000 jalapenos. Throw that over there. It smells quite nice. I can actually smell the spice starting to come off of that. You're going to throw that off to the side. Use your towel because I seem to have dropped a bit of a mess here. Grab some salt. You're going to grab your cocktail glass of choice. In my case, I'm using a rocks glass, and I'm going to rim this. But I'm only going to rim half the glass because not everybody enjoys having salt in their margarita. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Throw that here, grab some ice. Now, you're gonna grab this and you're gonna grab your Hawthorne strainer. And we're going to strain this nicely. Now, I am going to control anything from coming out by closing the gate. Now, what we mean by closing the gate is it is spring loaded. So if you bring this down like so, bring that down, you will be able to control how much actually comes out. Very nice, look at that green color. You have a little bit of cilantro floating in there, which is okay. Grab your leftover jalapeno, and we're gonna add 2 or 3 little slices. Now, I like the seeds, that's where the capsaicin is, and we're gonna throw that in like so, and give us just a beautiful bouquet of happy jalapeno-ness. Let's give it a bit of a smell. So it smells really good. Of course, you get the jalapenos directly on there. The smell of the spice is muted slightly. You don't notice the mezcal because everything smells so well blended. Oh, that's good, that's fiery. Oh, ooh, that is good. Oh. Oh yeah, just as good with salt and without salt. Oh, I can feel the tingle and the burn on my tongue. Oh, you know what? This is good. Again, you're going to adjust it based totally on how much jalapeno and how spicy you want this. The cilantro is just in there to a hint. It's very, very nice. It's subtle. The smoke is subtle from the mezcal. The orange and the lime play off really, really well together and balance this out very, very nicely. This is an awesome margarita. But this wouldn't be the beginnings of hashtag Spice on the Rocks 2020 without an over-the-top spiciness. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to put the ingredients and the description of how to make this down in the description. If you have a suggestion for vodka, orange curacao, other spices I could add to this, please leave a comment down below. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit my subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time I put up a new video, you will be notified. And because I'm being spicy silly, that's not bad. Oh, maybe not have been a bright idea. Oh, I can feel that now, but I'm not done because this is super spicy. Oh, damn it, I think I got a seed stuck in my teeth. Oh, uh-oh. You have a great day. And we'll see you next time. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Maybe don't do that at home. Oh, geez. Oh fuck, that's not helping. Oh, jeez. Oh, my tongue. Oh, I need some water. I don't have any. Oh, damn, that's not good. No, I am not touching the 151. That would just be, oh yeah. Ah.